Peace, peace. What it is, check me out. American Dictionary, English Language, 1828. Oh, I finally found Islam Moors. I've been seeing this book here on PDF, but I finally went number $10. Finally found it in half price books. So I got another Webster's Dictionary. This one, because I'm gonna show y'all what really goes on in these books, man, when they take stuff out that they don't want you to know, okay? Copyright 1983, 1955 is the earliest, all right? This is a reprint of 1828, all right? Now, I'm going to show y'all a few days, and then we'll go here, 4th edition. Just to bring some stuff home, make some stuff understandable if I can. All right. So first thing I want to go to, right, is the definition of black. I'm gonna go to this one, but after this, I'm gonna go on and start pausing it. That way, y'all ain't gotta sit up and look at me flick through pages. I'll just jump straight to it. But I just wanted to creep up on this one because y'all think this shit a game. But I'm gonna show you. Black. Check it out. Black. Pale. Goddamn. To become pale. To turn white. Black. Blacken. Black. And so exposed to light, sun. Yada. 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 Darkened by clouds. Black with clouds. Sullen. Now, you keep looking down. Hold on. Sun. This one. Black, blue. That which is destitute of light. Hold on. Did you notice? I could be tripping. Oh, here it is. Here it is. A Negro. Person with skin is black. Now, to be honest, I honestly wasn't expecting to find that in here. But look. Black Act. The English statute which makes it a felony to appear armed to anyone to hunt, seal in blackface or blackened. Thought they was talking about the Christian codes. But anyway, you see that, right? Black, pale. Now, we're going to go to this dictionary. This one came out in the 50s originally. Let's see what it says in black. All right. Black. The darkest color, opposite of white. Surface perfectly black. Dark skin, complexion. See how that's second in this one? Black men are pearls. Look at this. In boutique, I don't know what that is, what that word is. I want to know. Hold on. Means beautiful. Black men are pearls in beautiful ladies' eyes. You goddamn right, New York, goddamn it. Look at that. Okay, anyway, Negro. All right, it don't say nothing about being white. I just wanted to show you that. It don't say nothing about the original definition. Look, the Black Act still got that in there. But it ain't got nothing about the original definition. Pale, livid, da-da-da-da-da. See? See how it's changed? See how it's changed? Hold on, let's see what black is in law. Looky there. It's not even on here. Got the Black Act, though. See? When I seen Black Act, I thought it was this. The Black Code. The name given collectively to a body of laws, statutes, rules, and enforced in various southern states prior to 1865, which regulated the institution of slavery. See what black brings you to? But you see, black person not even in here, or definition of black. But this is law terms. But just want to show you that they do address us in another form. Black Muslim, an organization of American Negroes founded in Detroit by American Negro calling himself Elijah Muhammad, black, So you see, it's acknowledged, right? Now, what do you think it's going to say for white? Should we go law first, or should we go in the books first? Since we in the law, I'm going to go here for now, since we right here. You know what I'm saying? But now watch when I take you to that 1828 definition of white, and you see. Let me show you I'm going to say what you won't see. May surprise you, okay? But let's just see what they talking about up here. Look at this. White person. Check this. Pay attention. As used in Rev State US 2169 Naturalization Act. What do Moors talk about? Nationalization and naturalization. Two different things. Act, March 26th, that's my date of birthday, 1790, watch this, and amended, I heard this, 1875. Members of the white or Caucasian race, as distinct from black, red, yellow, brown races, petition from yada, yada, yada. You see that? 1875 is when they took that title. You see? Now, you don't believe it, right? Watch this. All right, whites. See, white wood, white. White. Of the natural colors of the body, not strictly a color for its composition of all colors, just destitution of all stains, obscurity on the surface, whiteness, bleach, good white, attain and roll, white spot, white of the eye, white of an egg, the knowledge part of a seed, plants, white, corn, Spanish white, white to make white. Why didn't it reference the people? Why never the reference of the so-called white people? Because they didn't take that title till 1875. But look, this, 1828. 1828. Now what it's saying here? In 55. See what they talking about for white. I see if these white folks is included in this one, these so-calleds. You so-calleds. White face. Let's see. White. Probably this big ass long definition right here. Yep. Having the color of pure snow white, a light or pale color. See how they go in there? Face, dark, spark, white Christmas. Hold on. They gonna mention they people in a minute. Here it is. Down here is 7, yeah. Having light colored skin, Caucasian, controlled by the white race. Look at that. Of or controlled by the white race. See how they got that right in the fucking definition? But these people trying to mind fuck you at all times. Okay? But you see that though? They wasn't, right? So what are they called today now? They called Americans, right? And they called, hold on. Before I go there, hold on. All right, so before we go back to the white, to the American, before we go to American, look at this colored, right? Because we colored people, right? We black, so-called, right? Okay, by common uses in America, this term, such as phrase, colored persons or colored race, colored man, and the like, is used to designate Negroes or persons of the African race, including persons of all mixed blood, descendants from Negro ancestry. Listen. But where the state constitution provides for separate schools for the white and colored races, the term white race was held limited to the Caucasian race. Pay attention to that. Was held limited to the Caucasian race, and the term color to embrace all other races. Very important. There's also been held that there is no legal technical signification to the phrase colored person, which the courts are bound judicially to know. This is why you get no respect from the law, fam. It is what it is. Hire someone from a nigga, put it in a book. Hold on. All right. I was looking for something specifically I read earlier, but now I can't find it. But I want to show you this anyway. Listen, under white person, it says whether the applicant for the United States citizenship is a white person. See how they got it in quotes, okay? These are terms. These are not real people. Eligible for citizenship under the statute enumerating classes of people eligible, therefore, depends not upon ethological classification of group to which he belongs, but upon rather members of such group with characteristics existing in 1790 when statute was first enacted were intended by Congress to be classified as white persons. In this case, and statute uses the words white person as meaning primarily the European peoples who constituted the class from which virtually all of immigration to the United States has come, who readily become assimilated into our civilization. So you see, when they talk about going back somewhere, these motherfuckers make up the largest class of immigrants. Say it right there. Okay. There was some in here that mentioned Indians, but now I can't find it. And I hate when I do that. Black, brown. Wait, hold on. I ain't through with y'all. Hold on. Alright, let's go here. And then I'm going to go back over here and show y'all what it say for America in 1828 as opposed to 1950 something. Okay, now listen. Free white person referred to the Naturalization Act as amended in 1870, people. Okay, before that, these people were not white. I just showed you that. I just showed and proved that. Meaning naturally given to it was used, meaning belong to the European races, white and their descendants. Okay, it includes all European Jews, more or less intermixed. All European Jews, right? They're not talking about them pale skinned people who call themselves Jews today, I promise you. More or less intermixed with that. Slavic includes mixed Latin, Celtic, Iberian, and Moorish inhabitants of Spain and Portugal. This includes free white persons. The Moorish people from Spain, okay, and mixed Greek, Latin, Phoenician, North African inhabitants of Cyprus, mixed Slav, It does not mean Caucasian race. Now hold on. That other one said white person meant Caucasian race. This says does not mean Caucasian race, Aryan race, Indo-European races, nor mixed Indo-European, Dravidians, Syrians of Asiatic birth descent will not be entitled to become naturalized citizens of the United States as being a free white person. See? Indians who belong to the Hindu race. Free woman of color, the term applied to civil apply to all persons not of the white race, including Indians. That's what I wanted to find. Free women of color, listen, free women of color, a term up to the time of the Civil War. Remember, that's 1865, right when they started switching shit up and they became white people. Applied to all persons not of the white race, right? Including Indians. So that means Indians are colored people. What's the difference, Negroes? God damn. Okay, look, let's go to America Watch. All right, I'm going to go to the Bull first. This is the 1980 edition, right? America, from America, and so they got American and America all in one definition, which shows this is a bad dictionary anyway. But anyway, of the North and South American, Central America, yeah. Oh, look, the Latin name of America Vespucci, right? They giving it to the white boy. Look, this is the 50s and the 80s, okay? Characteristics of the United States, its people, American beauty. Look how short that first definition is. American Eagle, American English, American Indian. Look, a member of any of the aboriginal races in North America, West Indies that were named Indians from the belief held by early explorers that the region was part of Asia. That is a fucking lie. Indian comes from Indus. Indus means dark, man. So when they were saying in the Indus people, they were just saying dark people. That's what that's why they always say he thought he was in Asia and that's to throw y'all off so y'all won't peep the game, the word game. They were saying the dark people on this side of the world, the Indus people, Indus Kushites. Come on, people. Look, the native or inhabitant of America, really any of the aboriginal natives, right? Right? That's the definition of America, right? Now, what was it in 1828? Hold on. Okay, America. From America Vespucci, a Florentine who pretended to have first discovered the West Continent. Told on him. Okay. Great continent first discovered, June 11. Yeah, my brother. Brother John, blah, 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 blah. North, South America. American, a native of America, originally applied to the Aboriginal copper-colored races found here by Europeans, but now applied to the descendants of Europeans born in America. The name American must always exalt pride and patriotism. Copper-colored races. Man, do I got a penny? I ain't no damn penny. Oh, haha. Look at that dog-ass nigga. Look at that. That's one of the more dog. Oh, that's a Canadian penny. Shout out to the Canadian Moors, Islam gods. Copper color, baby. That's us, man. Look at that. It's my twin. Lincoln, the only one facing the other way because he turned his back on them because he was a half breed. God damn it. Obama of his time. That's why they killed that nigga. Come on, man. So, copper color races. You see they ain't white. You see you ain't black. You dig? You see what I'm saying? So, let's quit playing. That's all I'm saying. Let's just quit playing. It's the word game. And that's why lawfully they can do what they want to you. You see what I'm saying? Because you playing the color game. You know, the definition of color is, hold on. Just to sum it up, okay? Color. So we color people, right? That's what we call ourselves, this black stuff. An appearance, a semblance, whatever the fuck that says, simulacrum, a disguised form that which is real, a disguise from, that which is real, a prima facie or apparent right, hence deceptive appearance. See them, you see them conscious hands and nigga do this, brother, a deceptive appearance, my brother. How lacking reality, my brother, when you call yourself this black person. How these people in your fucking face saying this shit over and over again. We black power, black this, black that, the black man, white supremacy, blah, 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 blah. Them niggas is agents against themselves and their people, period. Alright, whether they know it or not, whether they getting a check or not. You understand me? So anyway, that's what you mean when you say color. You saying you a fake person. You fake. Color of law. Color of law. This is what they're practicing on us. But they can because we agree to be color people. Hey, man. It is what it is, man. This ain't me. It's this them. Look, watch what say with color person. Colored. I already read this, right? You already read. Boy, y'all get me going now. Look, see? So it is what it is, man. Peace and love. You see that? They not white. You know, we not black. You feel me? I understand the words flow. They flow easy for you. You dig? So you used to them. I get it. But our ancestors they called ourselves Moors. We called ourselves Moors. We called ourselves other names too. And, don't get me wrong, but this is one of the oldest ones that we've called ourselves. Okay, what matter of fact, just show you that ain't changed. Hold on. All right, peace. Since we still in it, I'm gonna stick with it. You know what I'm saying? Look, Moorish, black, dark. Member of the Muslim people. I say Muslim, not Muslim. There's a difference. Mixed Arab and Berber. I showed you what Arab is. I showed you what Arab is. Arab is language. All right. Descent living in Northwest Africa. Member of a group of the people that invaded and occupied Spain. Blah, blah, blah. Moored. Then he's talking about the waters, etc. All right. All right, hold on. Now, what is saying 28? Hold on. More. The first one is pool. They go to water first. See that? The other one went to the people first. A native of the northwest coast of Africa called by the Romans. All right. That right there really ends that whole Moors or Muslims from Spain thing if this is saying it's called by the Romans. Because Romans was before Spain and all that, right? I mean, goddamn. From the color of the people. Mauritania, the country of the dark complexion people. The same country is now called Morocco, Tunis, Algiers. Come on, man. Come on. They changed that definition, didn't they? Yeah, you damn right they did. They don't want you to know that. Hold on. I'm going to show you what they didn't change. Hold on. Look at that. Moor, an officer in the Isles of Man who summons the courts for several sheddings. Sheddings is money. The office is similar to the English bailiff of 100. A bailiff is a guard. The bailiff, the judge bailiff, the court bailiff. That's like a guy. That's a cop, basically. The English bailiff of 100. Takes 100 of them to equal one of you. It's right in the goddamn dictionary. God damn it. So, hey, Jack. It is what it is, man. Peace and love. Islam to my Moors. Take it easy.